Hello everyone, this is Own Wall Street with the TradersPerspective.com doing my weekend analysis. Before you have crude oil, looking at the weekly time frame just to show you exactly what pretty much I've been expecting. The price action has been very consistent. So what I mean by that is we had a lot of resistance around 50, 55, 54.78. That whole 54.78 to 55 level was just proven a solid resistance line. We ended up finding support here around the 46.80 mark, and we ended up getting back above the 50 period simple moving average, this black line. And then we had this selling pressure just kick in on this downtrend line here. So what am I looking at as far as this upcoming week? In general, oil is looking pretty shabby. What I mean by that is just not looking really good. We could not get above this 50 period simple moving average. We were held down by this downtrend line here. My moving averages on the weekly time frame show that we have a bearish cross and we are looking to head lower. So I'm still looking for oil to come back down to around 43.80, $44 or so, but I kind of anticipate it to go a little bit lower. It is possible. Just looking at this, let me just go ahead and show you here. Just looking at the amount of selling pressure that you're seeing in general, you would expect the price to kind of come in here somewhere. So that's what I'll be looking for personally. I don't see it going straight down there, so let me just go ahead and say, what I'm seeing here in the markets. In general, on the daily time frame, you're going to see that the price has been kind of trying to consolidate. So here you can see on the daily time frame what I mean by consolidate. We've been kind of holding this trend line here. I mean, that's a given. And now we're battling with this selling pressure here and also at around 96.11. So let me drop down to the 4-hour time frame to show you a little bit more detail on what to expect as far as this upcoming week's activity. So here's the 30-minute time frame, and this is basically what happened towards the latter part of the week. You can see that price finally got above this 50 period simple moving average, and we're trying to battle to stay above this uptrend, little uptrend line here that we have going on. But in either case, if we can hold this level here at around 45.70, 45.80, then there's a potential for oil to be able to pop up a little bit to test this this level here at around 46.70, 46.80. That's the 200 period simple moving average there, and then we have this downtrend line coming in here as well. So looking out at the hourly time frame, it's kind of more of the same. If we can build upon this level here, now that we've broken out a little bit on the lower levels at least, now it's going to be a question of can we get back above this 46.70 mark. So I'm kind of thinking that we could see some more upside. Just based on the consolidation, we're due for, I guess, a little bit of a pop. The next level I'd be looking for around 46.16. Should be able to break that, but like I said again, the 46.80, that's going to be the level to watch for. Let me just go down here a little bit to show you why. So we'll be battling with this moving average here, and then 46.50, and then previous support line here. So 46.70, 46.80 on a possible extension is definitely possible, but we could see a little bit of a bounce in crude. It's definitely showing that it's resisting to go lower for now at least.